I will try to explain a bit about the astronomy of retrograde planets. Why are some planets retrograde? All of them actually, apart from the sun and the moon in astrology, every now and then appear to be moving backwards in the zodiac, not forward, while following the order of the zodiac signs as we know it. Planets are retrograde when they're opposite the sun. So if you have Mars opposite the sun in the chart of someone, very likely that Mars is going to be retrograde as well. If you have Jupiter opposite the sun, I have Jupiter opposite the sun in my chart, and my Jupiter is retrograde. With Venus and Mercury, we can't say opposite the sun because they never do that. They never become opposite the sun. They never go on the other side from our perspective. And what happens with those two is instead they make two different conjunctions with the sun. So why am I telling you all this? These two conjunctions and so on. As Venus and Mercury are retrograde when they are just about to begin a new cycle with the sun. We are focusing on the moment of beginning of the new cycle, the new moon moment. With the superior planets, all the rest of the planets, beyond the orbit of the Earth, we have a different situation. The retrograde is happening around here. When those planets, and you see all those colored waves of each one of them, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and so on, these are the periods when they retrograde. And the slower the planet is, the longer it is retrograde. With Mercury in particular, there are 4 types of Mercury, or 4 types of mind functioning. Your brain can work in 4 different ways, not just 2 different ways. Those moments of being retrograde are moments of having to slow down for a reason, having to go back and travel over degrees of the zodiac that we already traveled over before, making sure we are on the right path, that we are embodying or integrating insight from outside to inside, just the right thing. Yeah, and that this is always necessary around the moments of the peak of the cycle at the opposition.